Are you looking for a creative way to get more subscribers? If so, you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom subscribe button in minutes using Movavi. Be sure to stick around to the end and I'll share a really neat way that you can save these creations and place them in all of your future videos. So without wasting any more time, let's go. To begin, let's head over and click this stickers icon. Then in the Shapes tab, let's grab this rectangle sticker here and drop that down in our timeline like this. Now if we swing over to the preview window, here we can easily adjust the size and shape of our button, as well as the placement. After positioning, we'll come over to this menu on the left and select a color. For this example, I'll use the color picker tool to grab a quick sample of this Movavi blue. Next, let's go to the Titles tab and bring simple text into the timeline. Here in the Titles menu, we can customize the text by writing in subscribe, share, like, or anything you really want. But for this example, we'll stick with subscribe. Now, we can adjust the size and style of our font. By jumping back over to the preview window, we can reposition our text so that it fits nicely on top of our button. Down in the timeline, we can lengthen or shorten our elements as desired. Whatever we do to one, we'll do the same to the other. Now with the subscribe button ready, let's add some basic animation to create a nice subtle fade in and out effect. To do this, we'll jump over to the Tools tab and open up Animation. Then, under Easy Animation, we can quickly grab Fade In and drop that on the beginning of both elements in the titles track, like this. Now to finish up, let's grab this pre-made fade out and simply drop that onto the end of each of our elements. Alright, that's about it. Let's watch it through and see how it looks. I think that looks pretty good. Now let me show you how to save so that you can add your customized subscribe button to all of your future videos. To do this, we'll highlight everything we just created. Once highlighted, we'll right-click and select Cut. Now we'll want to head over to the Titles tab and select Intro Videos. Let's go ahead and choose any one of these intro videos and drag it down into the timeline like this. With this intro video now in our timeline, if we click this little edit icon right here, it'll open up a special timeline. From here, let's delete out everything in this timeline and paste in our creation. Alright, now that we've got that pasted, we'll click Apply and Return, which will bring us back to our main timeline. Lastly, we'll want to save by clicking this little floppy disk icon right here. We'll give it a quick name, and by clicking OK, this subscribe button will be saved to the Intro Videos tab, allowing us to quickly place it in every YouTube video we'd like, saving us a ton of time. The subscribe button is an amazing way to remind your viewers to subscribe, but in order to get your viewers to see it, you gotta get them to click, which is why it's so important that you check out this video right here. See you over there.